Okay, I have my assistant today, and that is Chef Henry Waldron. Say hi to everybody, Henry.
Hi everybody.
Look at the camera.
Hi everybody.
Okay, now Henry's gonna pour the salt on our flour.
This is salt.
Yeah, and you just pour it in there and we'll mix it with the flour. We are making the wrapper for our fresh lumpia.
Now
Okay,
we have
pour
to-
that. Yeah, pour it. Pour it in there and then we'll mix it, okay?
Then-
No, I'll give you this one. We'll use this one. That's for the liquid.
I want mix.
Okay, mix it, Henry. Yeah, mix all. Careful so you don't spill the flour, okay? I'll just close the door here. Mix it good.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're done mixing and we will do the liquids, okay?
Okay, what's the liquid?
The liquids is this one. We'll put the eggs first, okay?
Okay. And the
Okay.
ball?
Yeah, pour the eggs in the bowl.
This
Careful.
big ball?
Yeah, pour all that. There you go. Ooh. And then we'll beat it with this.
I want to try it.
Yeah, beat it. Beat. Make sure you break the egg yolk. Just push that. Yeah, like that. Just push the egg yolk so it get push all the egg yolks. There you go, so that it get mixed. Okay. Yeah, and then just beat it. Beat it good. There you go. You're doing good job, Henry. You're going to be a good cook, huh? Okay, then you will put the oil. Okay, put the oil. Whoa.
Just mix it.
Yeah, mix it with the egg. Okay. If you're tired, let me know and I'll help you. Okay.
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 I'm not tired.
Oh, you're not tired. Okay. Just beat that. Make sure that the egg yolk is mixed together. And then we'll pour the milk. And then you just beat it. Okay, beat it. Oh, you're doing good. You just beat it. There. There, we'll pour all of it. Okay?
It's getting big.
Yeah. Because we're going to have to feed your mommy and your daddy, Auntie Kailin, Treyo, Naomi, Grandma and Grandpa, and you and Jana. So we have to make a lot, huh? Okay, now we're going to put the flour a little bit at a
Oh
time.
my god.
Okay, so you need to beat it. There, careful.
There.
Yeah.
I'm beating it.
Yeah, if you're tired, just let me know, okay? Okay, Henry is a chef. Isn't that fun? Huh? Yeah, that's fun. Okay, let's put some more. Are you tired already? Grandma help you. Okay.
I'm not tired.
Oh, you're not. Put in the hold it up there so that you don't get your hands messy. Okay. Just let me know when you get tired. Chef Henry here in action. There you go. There you go. More. We still have more. I'm going to do it a little bit at a time so it don't overwhelm you. You tired already?
No.
Oh no, okay.
No.
More.
This is going to be good.
Yeah, it's going to be good. We're going to have this for dinner.
Hey, dinner is when it's dark.
Yeah.
And when it's morning, when it's morning, it's breakfast time.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Some more, Henry. Some more. And last one. Last. There you go. Now. Okay. You want Grandma help you now? So we'll make it smooth.
Yeah, my hand is getting tired.
Yeah, it's a lot for a little kid like you. So we're gonna beat that.
Oh, wait, that's how you do it.
Mm-hmm. Like this. I'll show you how. You go like this. See?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job, Henry. Good try. Yeah, so that's how you beat that thing. Okay, let me try again. Let me get this thing on the side so we mix it all together so that we don't have no lumps, so it would be smooth. When we cook it, there's not going to be no lumps.
Hey, Grandpa said when you're done cooking, we'll go to Walmart and go get a gun.
What else you gonna get? So you're gonna get Grandpa to take you shopping?
And we're going to get a gun for the helicopter, and we're going to get green binoculars from the lake for me. Green one.
Okay, I think we're done beating now, Henry. So we're going to set it now. Make sure there's no lumps in it. And then we're going to start frying it, okay? Okay.
That was a tire that.
Okay, now we're going to strain our mixture here just to make sure that there's no lump in our mixture for our wrapper. We'll spray the cooking spray and we'll put 1/4 of a cup, and then while you pour it, you make sure you make that circle there. Just make sure it gets even up in there. And then I usually time this for 2 minutes. Then we turn it over. And then the other side, let's just put it for 1 minute. That's a sign when it's done, when you could move it like that. That's done.